Introduction to Immunology Chapter 1. What is immunology? Immunology is a study of immune system, and it is an important branches in medical and biological. Why and what the importance of immunology? For those of us who study the inner workings of the immune system, our work takes us on a journey throughout the human body. From stopping infections in the lungs to preventing cancer in the skin. Immunology really is a multidisciplinary science at the center of much translational research. With the current COVID-19 crisis affecting us all, research into immunology is as important as ever. How does immunology applied in real life? Application of immunology can be seen through the production of vaccination. For example, Edward Jenner, a scientist who pioneered the concept of vaccines, including creating the smallpox vaccine, the world's first vaccine. Immunology diagnostic or immunodiagnostics is a diagnostic method that relies on antigen-antibody reaction for detection of the disease. Immunologic methods are used as tools in the treatment and prevention of infectious diseases and immune-mediated diseases. Also, immunology has applications in numerous disciplines of medical, particularly in the fields of organ transplantation, oncology, rheumatology, virology, bacteriology, parasitology, psychiatry, and dermatology. Is there any careers opportunities in this field? Yes, there are career opportunities in this field. To name a few, one can be immunologist, researcher, lecturer, and also epidemiologist. These are some of the immunology-related companies. Pfizer Incorporated is an American multinational pharmaceutical corporation headquartered in New York City. It is one of the world's largest pharmaceutical company. The company develops and produces medicines and vaccines for a wide range of medical disciplines, including immunology, oncology, cardiology, endocrinology, and neurology. Also, they are currently working on vaccination for COVID-19 with more than 120 clinical sites in 3 different countries. Next up is AstraZeneca. AstraZeneca plc is a British multinational pharmaceutical and biopharmaceutical company with its global headquarters in Cambridge, England. Its R&D is concentrated in Cambridge, England, Mölndal in Sweden, and North America, Maryland and Toronto. AstraZeneca has a portfolio of products from major disease areas including cancer, cardiovascular, gastrointestinal, infection, neuroscience, respiratory, and inflammation. The company's most commercially successful medication is esomeprazole, sold under the brand name of Nexium, among others. The primary uses are treatment of gastroesophageal reflux disease, treatment and maintenance of erosive esophagitis, treatment of duodenal ulcers caused by Helicobacter pylori, prevention of gastric ulcers in those on chronic NSAID therapy, and treatment of gastrointestinal ulcers associated with Crohn's disease. When it is manufactured, the result is a mixture of 2 mirror-imaged molecules, R and S. At 31 August 2020, AstraZeneca issued a commitment to the highest safety standards and to broad and equitable access around the world for its COVID-19 vaccine AZD1222. AZD1222 was co-invented by the University of Oxford and its spin-out company, Vaccitech. It uses a replication-deficient chimpanzee viral vector based on a weakened version of a common cold virus, adenovirus, that causes infections in chimpanzees and contains the genetic material of the SARS-CoV-2 virus spike protein. After vaccination, the surface spike protein is produced, priming the immune system to attack the SARS-CoV-2 virus if it later infects the body. To this end, AstraZeneca is implementing a clinical development program that will enroll in excess of 50,000 volunteers, including 30,000 in the US, in Latin America, Asia, Europe, Russia, and Africa, that will provide data for ethnically diverse. That's pretty much the introduction of immunology. Thank you very much.
Nice.